Somebody's excited about her two remotes. You don't know which one to play with first. Oh, maybe that one? The one for the DVD? Oh, no, maybe this one for the TV. Oh, yes, if only I could fit them both in my mouth at one time. It's so exciting, Romy! It's so exciting! Hey! Not that one. Yes. Oh, yes, this one. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh! What do I do with it? Oh, yes. I turn on the TV. Yeah. Wow! Yeah! Ah! Does it taste good? Yeah? Yeah! Yeah, it's very exciting! Yeah, Ruby knows how to use them. Hello? Oh, you're so busy, yes. Can I help you get up? There. Is that better? What? What? What do you want? Oh. Oh, your polka dot. Your polka dot, your dotted sweater. What? Oh, Romy. Don't have much strength left. You're getting tired. Must suck on the remote more. No. Yes. Romy? Hello? Oh no, another remote. What are you gonna do? Yes. Yes. Romy. I done. I done. I done. I done. Oh, Ruby's book. Yes. His book about sea creatures. Ooh, the tulips, yes. Romy. Oh, yes. Video. So many things to explore. Oh, you've seen that one already, huh? Yeah, you don't want to. Romy? Hello? Romy? Hello? Boo! Boo! Oh! Nice touch. Oh! Ooh. Yeah, that's a tulip. Oh, you got a leaf. You got a petal. Don't put it in your mouth. Don't eat it. That's right, I took it. Now listen, Romy. And your big ideas. You and your big ideas. The tulip is off limits, Buster. It's off limits. What? Uh-oh. He's not through with those tulips yet. You gonna get up there? What? How am I gonna get those flowers? Oh yeah, you're gonna climb up there, eh? Move this? Yeah, I moved it so you could get up there. Yeah, you're gonna go up there? You're expressing your frustration? You wanna go up there? Hey. You gonna try to read the instruction manual? How to get the flowers? That's not gonna help you. No, that's not gonna help. Boo boo. Oh, Romy. Don't roll off the couch. Don't roll off the couch, Romy. Da. Da da da. Da da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da. Da. Alright, should we say goodbye to our fans and get ready for Schliffy? Yeah, I think you're getting pretty tired. Oh, Romy. Okay. Say goodnight, Gracie. Good night, Gracie. Good night. Good night. Yeah. Oh, good night, everybody. I'm going to take a nap. Wave and a wave. Good night. Want to wave? Good night. Oh, yes. One last effort before bed. Oh. Romy? No. Dad. Why? Good night. Good night. Good night. My baby one. And we stop this thing.